class, LaFleche here, and this is my interview presentation for AMGT 460 spring of 2019, and I'm here to answer the question of why a business owner would want to hire me if I were in an interview. So with that, we'll get into my answer to the question. I think that's a great question. I think there are many reasons why you should hire me as your webmaster. And I think that I have a lot of research and development that I've done that really pertains to this job. And I really think that you should consider me for the job position because of them. I'd like to show you a few examples of some of the things that I have done that would pertain to this job specifically. So let me show you these. I took a business and made a business model to increase the capacity of the business, basically just to add an internet presence. From scratch, I built the business plan, I made personas, and was able to tailor the business and the internet presence towards that business because of, or according to those personas that the business was trying to target. During the course of this project, I also created an entire website for the business. And here you see the sitemap for the business, which includes all of the included pages and how they would react to each other and which ones would lead to another. I took that and I made an outline of what the website would look like using this format, and eventually I ended up with a full and finished complete website that is very attractive and easy for users to use. I did a lot of research on what it takes to make a successful website and what people look for when they go to a website. You know, what are the usability functions? And here you can see I created basically a vehicle selector which would allow the customer to select which make, model year, model, and submodel of their vehicle in order to get a specific product that fits their vehicle specifically. I also was able to do a lot of research and engineering my own social media posts for a business. Here you see my social media post calendar, which shows the entire, or every post that the business needs to post for an entire 12-month period for a whole year. During the course of my research, I was actually able to interview a social media guru who does the social media for a dealership, and he was able to give me a lot of good insight on that, and I think that would really help my performance as a webmaster. I also did a lot of research myself into what types of what types of social media sites that internet users are using. During my research, I did find that Facebook was one of the most popular, and for my project, I did actually use Facebook as my main type of social media because of that. It reaches a lot of users, and it seemed like the best one to, if you're only going to use one, to use for any business. So I also created many social media posts, and during, I went on a complete different range. I did everything from monthly contests and monthly contest winners, to team spotlight posts to spotlight the team at the business. I think that posts like these, like the contests and these spotlight posts, are very important because customers want to know that the business is family oriented, and when you provide them with a contest or something to get them involved with the business, it helps them feel like they're part of the family. And then also these different posts that show, that spotlight our team as a business, they show that the business is a real family, and we want you to be part of it, and kind of just invites a customer to come to your business to check out, or come meet some of the people that work there and some of the things that they might be able to offer for you. So during the course of my project, I also found out how important it is to be quick to respond and defend when your business is slandered on the internet, because that seems to be a pretty common thing nowadays. So in all, with the experience that I have and the knowledge that I've learned, I think that these are the reasons that you should hire me for this position. Thank you.